How do you feel about math? Are you intimidated by it? Do you fear it or hate it? Do you sometimes think it's boring or you're wasting your time? Do negative thoughts keep creeping into your consciousness? What do you say when you're having trouble figuring out the problem? Do you say things like, I'll never be able to do math? I'm overwhelmed. Who needs math anyway? Why bother? Do you feel no matter how hard you try, you'll never be able to succeed? Have you ever thought that perhaps your negative attitude toward math diminishes your ability to succeed in it? To achieve academic success, it takes more than innate ability, competence, or desire to learn. The key element in this process is having a positive attitude. A positive attitude becomes the catalyst, the supercharger propelling you along the road toward your math goal. A positive attitude in math is like a grade A grease in a well-lubricated engine. The grease enables the engine to run smoothly with fewer breakdowns or jammed gear, and with less vibration. Poor quality grease would gum up the works, make the engine stick, interfere with its performance, and perhaps totally clog it. Starting today, give yourself a top-rated positive attitude to lubricate your thinking. The time has come to change your negative attitude to positive. The next exercise that we will do will help you do that. An affirmation is a powerful, positive proclamation of something you desire, stated in the present tense. It's a direct, short, simple, active declaration containing no negative words or meaning. It's stated in the now as if it is already occurring, even though it might not happen yet. This is done to reflect an outcome that is desired in the present or as soon as possible. Read, speak, or visualize positive math affirmations to yourself several times each day. This will help you reprogram and replace negative math self-talk. Some students even record their positive math affirmations in their own voice with relaxing music in the background and listen to the recording while commuting to school, running, or going to sleep. This has a very powerful effect. Some people are bound to say, this is all well and good, but how do you expect someone to be able to do something he or she really cannot do now? The point is, the skill or capacity to do math, especially if it seems difficult, will come to you much more easily if you begin to believe you're developing it now. Here's a list of positive affirmations to help you succeed in math. Check the ones you believe would be most helpful on your path to math success. Repeat these statements often to yourself. Remember to substitute these or similar positive affirmations every time negative thoughts about math enter your mind. I'm becoming a good math student. I'm learning more math each day. I'm capable of learning. I have good abilities in math. I allow myself to relax while I study math. I remember more math each day. I'm relaxed, calm, alert, and confident in math. My math improves every day. I understand math if I give myself a chance. I enjoy math more each day. Here's some more positive affirmations for succeeding in math. I like math because it's useful in everyday life. Working out math problems is fun. It is more and more exciting each day. Math is creative. It is stimulating. Way of doing math is a good one. Math helps me get where I want to go. Is my friend. Feeling better about math. Methods help solve everyday problems. Another good exercise that will help you improve your positive thinking about math is surround yourself with positive thoughts and affirmations. Choose your favorite affirmations from the list, first exercise, or create your own. And with bright card markers, size color paper, each of these positive math statements on a separate sheet come out in large letters. Create a fancy border around each poster. creative typefaces, art, clip art, borders to produce full computer posters. Design them as artistically as you can. Have fun with them. Make at least 3 or 4 of these posters. Hang them in the place you usually study. Attach them to your refrigerator, your television, on your mirror, in your car, anywhere that you can see them during the day. Invisible, reminders of your growing positive attitude toward math. Next exercise we will do is called Challenge Negative Self-Talk. Every time negative statements about your abilities or about math come in mind, take note of them and then immediately change or challenge them. Ask yourself these questions. This self-talk help me with math? This self-talk affect how I feel about math and my ability to do math? Does it affect my desire or motivation to do math? My self-talk based on fact or fabrication? This statement toward reality, so it's the objective reality. This statement 100% true? There room for doubt? Evidence do I have to prove it's true? If it's true, make me or math bad? It is a more reasonable statement I can say to feel better about math. The next exercise will help you create your own metaphors, alter your negative attitudes, and think more positively about math and your ability to do it. Metaphors help us organize our thoughts, give us a direction for our action. In this exercise, I ask you to develop a series of positive thoughts, images, metaphors, guiding your math success. Next, I want you to list positive adjectives or nouns that come to mind when you think of succeeding in math, overcoming your math fears and anxieties. Some examples include win, success, enjoyment, innovative, creative, informative, victory, important, fun, worthwhile, useful, helpful. Second, make a list of inspirational images, these ideas. The third section of this exercise asks you to describe growth-enhancing emotions that you would like to experience. Students who are overcoming math anxiety have listed confidence, relaxation, assuredness, excitement, happiness, thoughtfulness, calmness, urgeness, inner strength. You are now ready to write your own positive metaphors. I really hope that these exercises will help you create positive thinking and positive attitude toward math, which will increase your success in the math class.